Hey everybody. So now that you have selected a topic, it is time to go ahead and get to work on your project. So let's say you selected divergent zones. You're going to file down to make a copy of the entire presentation. And as always, put your name into the project itself. So once that opens, so we've got divergent zones. Okay, so here's a big slide that has the project overview. So the whole project should be kind of inside the slideshow. In this project, you'll become an expert in one part of plate tectonics and then share the information from others. So background information, kind of fill information as we learn it. Then you're going to create something and share with a small group. So here is the project timeline. So Thursday, select topic. You've already done that. Then on Tuesday, by Tuesday, 12/8, you should have plate motion research done, slides 5, 6, and 7. Then on Wednesday, you should have history, rocks, and evidence, slides 8, 9, and 10 done. Then by Thursday, you should have future human impact and bibliography, slides 11, 12, and 13 done. And then by the last week of this project, Tuesday the 15th and Wednesday the 16th, you should create something. You're going to make some sort of deliverable for this project. Okay? So for this, I've given you some information. So there's the basics on divergent plate boundaries, a video right there. Then here there's a video talking about the Great Rift Valley system, and another video talking about the Great Rift Valley system, and then an article, right? Atlantic divergent boundary, a couple of videos, and an article. Okay, so that's going to be great background information, but it also says use these resources and find your own to fill in the information on the following slides. So going back to my timeline, I see that by Tuesday, 12/8, I need to have 5, 6, and 7 done. Let's look at slide 5. Compare the geologic features of the African Rift Valley to the Atlantic divergent boundary. Okay, so what are the geologic features here? It might be something like tall mountains, might be something like geysers, might be something right? So you're going to talk about what are the geologic features of each, all right? What plates are involved at each? So what plates are involved in the African Rift Valley and the divergent boundary? It might be cool to have pictures here too. You can totally put pictures here. What forces cause this plate motion, right? So in your research, figure out what forces are causing plates to pull apart, okay? So put some words here and put a diagram here, okay? By Wednesday, you need these ones. How long ago does each take to form? So how long ago did the African Rift Valley start? And for how long has it been going? Is it still going? Has it stopped? Right? Those kinds of questions. What kind of rocks form? Right? So you can talk about igneous, metamorphic, or sedimentary. And you can also talk about specific rock types. What specific rock types? Is there granite there? Is there sandstone? What evidence have scientists collected? So like, how are scientists studying and researching these things? How do they know what has happened in the past? How will these areas change in the future? What is expected to happen? What have scientists predicted is going to happen in each area? Next, this is one of my favorites. What should humans know who live near this area? Are there dangers? Are there things they should do to prepare? Okay. What other sources did you use? So you need to be looking up other sources and put those sources here. This is your bibliography. Okay, so that's like kind of the research week. And then the make something week. So Tuesday and Wednesday, you have time to actually create something. You can create a drawing, a diagram, a video, a 3D model, stop motion, or anything that helps to illustrate how your plate tectonic project operates. Okay. If you do writing, you should probably attach a link to your writing. But if you're doing something that is visual, just put an image of your visual here. Then on the last day, we're going to present. So we're going to be in a live Zoom on Thursday, the 17th, and you're going to present your project to other people. You're going to show your deliverable, what you found interesting, and then describe the geologic features and dangers to humans.